Fable Connect Pro is our app designed for schools and institutions. To use Fable Connect Pro, you are free to choose between using a smartphone, tablet, PC, Mac, or Chromebook. Let's first go through how to connect with a computer. This method is also applicable for tablets, Chromebooks, and iPhones. Firstly, open your favorite internet browser and type the web address pro.fableconnect.com and hit the enter button. This will open the login page for you to access your user profile. Your username and password is created for you by your teacher. Contact your teacher if you do not have an account. The second method is to use an Android smartphone to connect. On your smartphone, open the Fable Connect Pro app, which can be downloaded from the Google Play Store. In the app, choose whether you are a student or a teacher. As a student, you will be presented with a login screen. Your username and password is created for you by your teacher. Contact your teacher if you do not have an account. Logging into your account will allow you to call and connect to the Fable Connect robot. You can call with the camera on or off, which allows you to maintain your privacy. When you click the button to call, your teacher will receive the call in the app. When the call is active, your teacher has a few buttons available. Your teacher can end the call at any time. They can mute and unmute their own microphone. This will mute the sound that you receive. The teacher can also mute and unmute their own speakers. This will mute you in the classroom. The teacher can also enable table safety mode, which will restrict the movement of the Fable Connect robot. As a student, you also have a variety of options. On your own smartphone, you can also easily end the call at any time. You also have the option to mute and unmute your own microphone. This will mute your voice in the classroom. You can also control the movement of the Fable Connect robot, allowing you to look around the classroom. There's also a button for raising your hand if you want to make your teacher aware of you. This also pings the sound in the classroom. Lastly, at any time, you are free to switch between having your camera on or being anonymous. Simply click your camera preview window and select the option you want. You are now all set up to use Fable Connect Pro. Enjoy! For more information, watch the video on how teachers control the Fable Connect Pro app, or go to our website at shaperobotics.com.